Jin Air Maytag design. Touchpad control inoperative. Will not accept commands. Alright, systems check of power to ground control board to element, power to ground to spark module for gas ignition. Only issue of gas ignition is this front burner at this time. So bake, set the timer for I want to say 325. Plus or minus 50 degrees. This timer scales out at 399, so we'll say 300. So it will give residual of contacts being made and broken. So we'll do a bake setting. Touchpad controls 300 0 and auto start. Integrated relay controls engaged. Temperature reading is 102. Internal is 100. Touchpad on bake function checks good. Eight, 108. $126. 22. Touchpad control, relay control to power to ground to the element. Verifies receiving 240 volts. Duration of time, 1 minute. Set it, temperature set for 300. Temperature thermal runaway. Temperature of 20 degrees, 174 and 162, 163. Residual heat. Once set predetermined temperature, which was 300, once that is reached, the element should lose power, and then there should just be a residual heat, which should gauge no hotter than 350, 375. We're at 3 minutes, 2:15. Settings are at 230. Time duration 3 minutes. .300° set temperature is engaged. Disengage the internal relay of the clock control. Temperature internal shows 280. Power to ground, control board to the load of the element, which requires 240 volts, requires the most amount of voltage from the control board, voltage and current, verifying that the control board internal integrated relays are working properly. 110 volts to the gas spark module, works good except for the left front striker. Range is maintaining 300° temperature. Time duration 10 minutes. Element just resumed. Power to the element. Even temperature system for this design. There's not a difference of 25 degrees Fahrenheit. It maintains a difference of less than 5 degrees. So that tells me that the control board in the high load capacity, which requires 240 volts to the element, the control board on that side of the board tests good. Spark module, which requires 110 volts, checks good. Ground is maintained by the control board. So for this one, needs a ground cap. Needs to be cleaned. Maintenance. Summary of slide-in, drop-in range. Stainless steel aluminum base outer covering. Spark module checks good, except for oxidation on this top striker in order for it to ground so it can combust. The control board to the element to carry the load of 240 volts in order to get the element to get hot, works fine. Broil works fine also. Switchology on gas knobs are operative. The laminate is damaged in touching and accepting commands, just in this 3 area here. Would be a worthy do-it-yourself project based off of parts availability.